Money that you earn from keeping your money in an account in a bank or other financial organization.
Interest. Interest. You should put the money in a savings account where it will earn interest.
To increase the number of things that you know about, have experienced, or can do.
Horizon. Horizon. Traveling certainly broadens your horizons.
Normal or expected for a particular person, situation, or society.
Customary. Customary.
It is customary for the chairman to make the opening speech.
To help someone and give them an advantage.
Interest. Interest. It may not be in your interests to change jobs so soon.
The quality of being easily upset by things that people say or do.
Sensitivity. Sensitivity. I should have warned you about her sensitivity to criticism.
To try to persuade someone to work for a company or to join an organization.
Recruit. Recruit. Secondly, the coach driver was quite a rude person and, as far as I am concerned, it would be a good idea to pay more attention when recruiting your staff.
As you would expect.
Say. Say. Needless to say, it rained the whole time we were there.
Not willing to accept new ideas or opinions different from your own.
Narrow-minded. Narrow-minded. My family are very narrow-minded.
Used to say that something seems like a good idea but it would be difficult to do.
Say. Say. I want to ask her out, but it's easier said than done.
To give most of your energy and time to something.
Dedicate. Dedicate. She has dedicated her life to helping others.
Money which is charged by a bank or other financial organization for borrowing money.
Interest. Interest. Interest charges on an overdraft are usually quite high.
To think something but not speak.
Say. Say. I hope she likes me, he said to himself.
When a group of people meet to learn more about something by discussing it and doing practical exercises.
Workshop. Workshop.
A workshop on crime prevention.
Used to emphasize that you could have said something in a much stronger way.
Say. Say. We were surprised, to say the least.
Having had a good education.
Well educated. Well educated. Most of our employees are pretty well educated.
The ability to understand how other people are feeling and to be helpful and kind to them.
Sensitivity. Sensitivity. The police showed great sensitivity in their handling of the case.
If it is safe to say something, you are sure it is correct.
Say. Say. I think it's safe to say that he'll be the next president.
The cause of something, usually something bad.
Root. Root. We must get to the root of this problem.
Disadvantaged people are poor and do not have many opportunities.
Disadvantaged. Disadvantaged. Economically disadvantaged children.
Severe and sudden or having very noticeable effects.
Drastic. Drastic.
Drastic measures.
To find good things in a bad situation.
Bright. Bright. Look on the bright side, no one was badly hurt.
Likely to happen soon.
Horizon. Horizon. Economic recovery is on the horizon.
The long, dried stems of plants such as wheat, often given to animals for sleeping on and eating, the last in a series of unpleasant events which finally makes you stop accepting a bad situation.
Straw. Straw. A straw basket or hat.